It's fine. Look, there's a yellow button here. See it? Insert the key, press it. No need to hit the brake. Easy to shift and park. Why pay $800 for towing? This is just an emergency feature on your car. Your car has many useful functions like this. Let me tell you, in case your brakes ever fail, don't panic. Just touch this electronic handbrake switch. Hold it firmly, don't let go. The car will come to a steady stop. The screen might freeze up after long use. No need to pay for repairs then. Look, press the menu and power buttons together. Keep holding them. The screen will force restart. See, it's working like new again. Key's dead. Can't open the door? No need to rush to a repair shop. We just need to use the hidden mechanical key. Align it with the door, lift the small hole underneath. Then insert the key into the lock inside. Gently turn it, and the door will open. Stuck inside the car, can't get out. Don't panic, no matter what. Just find this small switch behind you. Press it to fold down the back seat. Then crawl into the trunk. Find this small switch on the trunk's panel. Slide it gently in the arrow's direction. The trunk will open. Emergency escape. Done. See how simple that was? Think about it, folks.